In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to project a sign in Zoho projects. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add the right people to a specific project, set the correct roles, and make sure everyone has the access they need to start working right away. First, open the specific project from your dashboard. If you manage multiple projects, take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct one by checking the project name and any identifying details like the client or due dates. It can help to mark frequently used projects as favorites, so they're easier to find when you log in. Once you're inside the project, head to the Users tab in the top navigation bar. This is the hub for everything related to who's on the project and what they're allowed to do. If you don't see this tab, it usually means your current profile doesn't have permission to manage users, so you may need a project admin or portal admin to adjust your access. In the Users area, click the Add User button in the top right corner. This opens the panel where you'll choose who should be part of this project. The action is the same whether you're adding one person or several at once, so it's a good idea to have your list of team members ready to go before you start. Next, select the team members you want to assign. Use the search to quickly locate people by name and double-check you're selecting the correct profiles, especially if there are users with similar names. If someone doesn't appear in the list, they may not yet be part of your organization's Zoho Projects portal, in which case a portal admin will need to add them before you can include them in this project. After selecting your team, set their role. Roles determine what each person can see and do in the project. For example, a manager role typically provides broader control, like managing tasks, viewing reports, or editing settings, while an employee role focuses on day-to-day task execution with more limited permissions. Choose the role that fits their responsibilities and follows your organization's least privilege guidelines. If your workspace uses custom roles, match the role to the responsibilities you've defined internally. When everything looks right, click Add. The selected users are now part of the project, and they may receive a notification so they can jump in. It's a good practice to review the users list right after adding people to confirm their names and roles display correctly. If responsibilities change later, you can revisit this same area to adjust roles or remove access as needed. That's it. Quick, clean, and secure project assignments in Zoho projects.